DEPSTECH Dual Lens Industrial Endoscope 1080p Digital Borescope Inspection Camera 7 9mm IP67 Waterproof Camera Sewer Camera with 3 LCD screen 7 LED lights 16 5 FD Semi-Rigid Cable 32 GB Card Black. Shooting modes: manual color black, video capture resolution 1080p water resistance level, waterproof, brand DEPSTECH. About this item: see more with dual lens and split screen. The DS300 inspection camera has dual lens technology that allows you to switch between different viewing angles without installing a side mirror, the FOV 70 degrees. And give you a wider viewing angle even in a narrow place. With one button, you can switch between 3 observation modes for more convenience and ease of use. Color screen and crisp 1080p upgraded wide-angle 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen provides a horizontal viewing angle of about 170 degrees. The Endoscope camera captures 2.0MP crisp pictures and 1080p HD fluent videos. The adjustable 7 LED lights with Blue Art 2.0 tech provide you with a clearer view on each inspection. The built-in battery can work continuously for about 4 hours and is easily rechargeable through a USB cable. More efficient with advanced second CMOS chip, the Borescope adopts the second CMOS chip, which supports the highest recording frame rate and solves the problem of picture delay. You can quickly switch between the front and side cameras while working. It's widely used in fields such as plumbing, HVAC duct inspection, chimney inspection, machinery inspection, automotive repair, electrical diagnostics, wall structure inspection. Purple industrial snake camera. The DS300 inspection camera features a 180 degrees rotating camera orientation for better observation. It's IP67 waterproof and has 3 adjustable brightness levels to ensure clear image even under dark conditions. The front camera focal range is 3-8 cm/1, 2-3, 1 in, and the side camera is 2-6 cm/0, 8-2, 4 in. The 16.5 FD semi-rigid cable can be bent and hold its shape to access a wide variety of narrow places and meet different using needs. Full accessories and excellent support. DEPSTECH inspection camera package includes an LCD digital endoscope, built-in 32 GB TF card, user manual, USB to micro USB cable, and a set of accessories, including a hook magnet. We offer 24-hour professional and kind after-sales service and a 24-month free warranty. Any questions, please feel free to get help. Product details: package dimensions 7, 91x6, 38x3, 19 inches, 1, 34 pounds. Item model number: DS300 black batteries, 1 lithium polymer batteries required, included. It first available, April 12, 2021. Manufacturer: DEPSTECH ASIN B0928Q3T42.